Hi and welcome to my studio. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw with Procreate Symmetry Tool. We learn how to duplicate and manipulate an illustration like professionals and get tips for a tighter workflow. If you've been following my work and tutorials on this channel, you know that I prefer to work with digital watercolors. I'll put links up here for you to catch up with those tutorials. Well, I'm in mid-work with this illustration, and it combines text with floral elements. The word, by the way, is ahava, love in Hebrew. But today, let's continue working on the design, adding flowers and leaves with the Symmetry tool. So let's get started. Let's add a new layer. Press the wrench tool and switch on the drawing guide. Next, let's set up the drawing guide. Our choice is between 4 different main symmetries. And in this tutorial, we'll work with the vertical symmetry. We can reposition the guide, move it, and change its angle to fit our drawing. When we press Done, the drawing guide will be added to our canvas. I only need to draw half a leaf, and Procreate will draw its symmetrical other half. Erasing half the illustration will do the same for the other half. And that's a very helpful tool when you want your design to look neat. See how our layer got a new tag, marking it as assisted? And if we press the layer menu, we can see that the drawing assist is marked checked. Now watch what happens when we change these settings. As long as the drawing assist is checked in the layer menu, the symmetry guide will be active for that layer. I'm swiping right to alpha lock and start coloring my leaf. I can use the symmetry guide to add details and depth to my drawing. I can uncheck the guide when I want my illustration to look a little off symmetry. By the way, if you'd like to see what the finished design looked like, I've added a link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to catch up with more art videos and tutorials. Now we're going to duplicate and manipulate the leaf to create richer illustration. Our work looks more professional when we use variations of the same element. In this way, we can change and move one leaf to create a tight design. I've created 6 copies of the leaf, each in a slightly different position. And now I can go and change their colors by adjusting their brightness. Here's the little tip. We can choose a layer from the layer menu, or by tapping on an object on the canvas. I'm going to finish off with adding shades to each layer so that each leaf has a little more color or depth to it. And then I'll move on to draw some flowers and finish the design. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Hit the like button and subscribe for more art videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.